Declutter your space to allow energy to flow freely. Keep entryways clean and welcoming. Avoid placing mirrors directly facing your bed. Use natural light as much as possible. Keep broken items out of your home. Round shapes promote harmony. Avoid sharp corners. Use the Bagua map to analyze your space. Let air circulate. Open windows regularly. Avoid having your back to the door when sitting. Balance the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, water. Place family photos in the east sector of your home. Keep the center of the house clean to maintain health energy. Avoid placing a bathroom at the center of your home. Use warm lighting to encourage bonding. Display happy family photos in common areas. A round dining table promotes unity. Do not sleep under exposed beams. Avoid having stairs directly face the front door. Maintain working plumbing. Leaks symbolize lost wealth. Place fresh flowers in the living room for vibrant energy. Your desk should face the door without being in line with it. Place a crystal or plant in the north for career growth. Keep your work area clean and organized. Avoid mirrors behind your desk. They reflect away your energy. Use blue or black accents in the north sector. Add motivational quotes in your workspace. A water feature in the north supports career success. Don't sit with your back to the main entrance at work. Keep your chair backed by a solid wall. Symbolizes support. Green plants on your desk promote creativity and vitality. Place a pair of mandarin ducks in the southwest for love. Avoid placing single objects in the relationship corner. Use soft romantic colors like pink, red, or white. Keep the bedroom electronics free. Match bedside tables and lamps on each side of the bed. Keep the space under the bed clutter-free. Place rose quartz in your bedroom. Avoid having mirrors facing the bed. Hang love-themed art in the southwest area. Remove items from ex-partners. Keep your wallet tidy. It reflects financial habits. Place a money plant in the southeast corner. Use gold and purple accents for prosperity. Keep your stove clean. It represents your wealth. Place a small water fountain in the southeast. Do not place mirrors facing the main door. Avoid placing trash cans in the wealth corner. Keep all burners on your stove working. Hang a wind chime near the front door. Use citrine crystals to attract abundance. Place green plants in the east for good health. Avoid clutter in the bathroom. It affects well-being. Use earthy tones for grounding energy. Sleep with your head pointing toward your best direction. Display images of healthy landscapes. Ensure your bed is not aligned with the door. Let natural light into your bedroom in the morning. Avoid overhead shelves above the bed. Keep the fridge clean. It symbolizes nourishment. Light aromatherapy candles for relaxation. Create a quiet study or reading nook. Use bookshelves in the northeast for wisdom. Place crystals like amethyst in your study area. Use blue tones to encourage calm thinking. Avoid clutter on your desk. Decorate with symbols of wisdom. Place a globe or map in your learning area. Sit facing your best personal direction for concentration. Use good lighting to avoid eye strain. Keep inspirational quotes nearby. Place a metal object in the northwest. Keep the area clean to invite helpful people. Use silver and gray to enhance travel energy. Display a map with pins of desired destinations. Hang pictures of mentors or benefactors. Use wind chimes with 6 rods in the northwest. Keep a gratitude list in this sector. Avoid placing bathrooms in the northwest. Light candles here for stronger connections. Create a vision board and place it in this area. Decorate the west sector with creative tools. Use white and pastel colors in the children's room. Display your children's artwork proudly. Encourage play with open, light-filled spaces. Use round tables for arts and crafts. Place fun and joyful objects in the west. Display symbols of joy and happiness. Avoid heavy, dark furniture in children's areas. Keep kids' bedrooms free from underbed clutter. Play soft music to enhance positive vibes. Meditate daily to align your internal energy. Set intentions for each room. Use incense to clear stagnant energy. Practice gratitude to raise your vibration. Include symbols of your beliefs in sacred spaces. Keep your altar clean and respected. Decorate with spiritual items that resonate with you. Use a singing bowl or bell to cleanse energy. Journal in a peaceful space regularly. Reflect on your environment and adjust mindfully.